So good morning, classmates. Good morning, ma'am. So this is my report about pardon. A pardon exempts someone from punishment for a crime. The pardoning power is an inherent right of the people, and they can vest that power in whomever they choose. State constitutions usually spell out where the pardoning power lies. Pardon are typically issued to individuals, but they can also go to groups of people. So ang pardon daw, ma'am, is inherent to the people. So they can vest power whomever they choose. So bisag kinsa pwede matagaan ani basta naalang ka sa or naka-detain ka. State constitutions usually spell out where the pardoning power lies. Pardon are typically used to individuals. So from the word individual, so bisan kinsa nga tao pwedeng mahatagan ani, but they can also go to groups of people. So pwede pod sa group of people, whether made by the president or a state governor. The decision to grant or deny a pardon rests solely in the executive's discretion. That decision is typically final and not subject to the judicial review. So whether by the president or state governor, so bisag kinsa sa presidente man o sa state governor, so ang decision yun is to grant or deny a pardon rests solely in executive discretion. How are pardon decisions made? Decisions about whether to pardon an offender are supposed to factor in the public welfare and whether there's some unfairness that the courts can correct. But since the decision generally isn't subject to review or oversight, there's often no way to know what factored into a pardon decision unless the president or governor explains it. So the decision about pardon is a factor in pardon decision unless the president, so ang president or governor ang mag-explain about nganong gihatagan niya nagpardon ng tohana. So pardons generally assume the offender is guilty of the underlying offense and that he or she has been rehabilitated. So the president or a governor might deny a pardon to an offender who denies guilt. So ang president or ang governor pwede sila maka-deny sa pwede sila makabawi silang gihatag nga pardon kung ang usa ka offender is mo deny sa iyang gibuhat. Pardon can be revoked before they delivered. So pwede siya ma-revoke, so pwede siya mapundo or mahunong, but another after they are delivered and accepted unless the offender fraudulently obtain it. Are there different types of pardons? So there are different types of pardon, each having its own effect. Pardons can be full or partial, absolutely or conditional. So number 1, full. Unconditionally absolves the person of the conviction and all the crime's consequences. So there are 4 types of pardons: the full, partial, absolute, and conditional. Number 1 is full. Unconditionally absolves the person of the conviction and all crimes consequences. Number 2 is partial. Only relieves the person from some of the crime's punishment or consequences. 3. Absolute. Granted without any condition. So absolute, no, so gigrant siya nga without any condition, so walay mga condition nga mangayo. Conditional. Some condition, usually to be fulfilled by the person seeking the pardon, must occur before the pardon takes effect. For instance, a pardon could be conditioned on helping the police solve a crime or locate a suspect. Some conditional pardons become void when a specified condition occurs, such as the former offender committing another crime. So kung nagranted na naka-pardon tas paggawas nimo sa community na naka-commit na pugag crime, so napriso ka, so dili na ka pwede mga hatagan og pardon balik. So what does a pardon do? A pardon doesn't indicate the convicted person is innocent. Pardons generally don't expunge convictions. but they will usually restore civil rights lost as a result of the conviction. So pardons will generally restore. So kung usa ka detainee tas usa ka offender tas natagaan kag pardon, so naaday inigawas nimo sa community, naaday gihapon kay right. So there are the rights to na pwede ma-restore sa pardon: the right to vote, the right to run for and hold an public office, the right to serve on a jury, and the right to possess firearm. So the right to possess firearms, so pwede ka makadalag firearms if lisensyado sad. A pardon may prevent deportation if the pardon conviction is a deportable offense. A pardon doesn't affect any civil consequence that might flow the crime. So even someone who receives a pardon for murder may still be subject to a lawsuit for wrongful death. Pardons also tend not to affect administrative consequences such as license suspension. So kung maka-violate ka, kung natagaan na kag pardon, so maka-violate ka, so maka-violate kag balik, so pwede ka nilang kuan og license suspension. So that's it, ma'am. Thank you.